Tonight is December 10th, 2023, and I am driving through this hurricane to the Kirby family farm in Florida for the Kirby family Christmas train. Thanks to my work schedule and their train schedule, this is the only time I can go. They say the train will run rain or shine, but it's looking pretty bad right now.
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
Okay, looks like I'm not the only one foolish enough to come here and flood. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. And I don't think it's going to happen, so I'm just going to sit here and pray to God they don't cancel it, because, and if I can't do it tonight, then I will come back in the summer. But I'll have to skip the Christmas show. And also, on a sad note, my GoPro cracked. Alright, it's got, ooh, Christmas lights. That's a good sign. I can get on this train and get the heck out of here, because it is wet. Well, that is a good sign the train is leaving. And it's pretty obvious that my cell phone is better with low light than my regular camera. Kind of amazing how irritated that is. Alright, let's go. So the video just needs so much more light compared to taking still photos. And as if by magic, that torrential rain stopped right at 6 o'clock. This was a blessing in disguise for the 100 or so of us that decided to show up, because according to the employees, the crowds were massive the night before, so we had the whole place all to ourselves. It was great. Oh.
Family Farms Christmas train. If you're excited to get this train going, let me hear you make some noise. For your safety, as well as the safety of those around you. For your convenience, we ask that you please hold on to any and all personal belongings and valuables, such as purses, things of that nature, as we don't want anything getting lost or broken on the train. We also ask that all children on the inside of the benches are secure and relaxed at all times. Alright everyone, show of hands. Who here knows the song Jingle Bells? Okay, I like those numbers. So, a fun fact about me is my favorite Christmas song of all time is Jingle Bells. However, I really don't like to sing alone. So on the count of 3, would you all sing with me? 2, 3. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That sounded amazing to me. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing in your ear now. I don't know, I might still sing to myself a little bit. But I'm gonna allow you to look to your left and to your right so you can see our lovely display of lights here at Kirby Family Farm. Yeah, I think that kind of run. But one more thing, everyone, before I go. We ask that you please remain patient with us, as due to the rain, our tracks have gotten a bit wet, which does cause the train to go a little bit slower. We apologize for the inconvenience, but we hope you enjoy the ride nevertheless, everyone.
That is an airport. How long is this ring train? Oh, there it is. lights out.
Alright everybody, you're coming up soon. The train is going to come to a complete stop, so we ask that you please remain seated and hold on tight, as the stop can be a bit bumpy. Well, I mean bumpier compared to the rest of the ride. Coming up here, if you look to your left, you will see a little Christmas present from our family to yours. Can I get a aw yeah? Sorry about that, everyone.
Aw, yeah. You already know what time it is. It's Jingle Bell time. Yeah, we're gonna put up a Christmas tree and take some Christmas lights, but one thing we're gonna do for show is represent the king. I need y'all to put your hands together. You can do the Christmas clap. You can do the Christmas clap. So get the Christmas clapping. You know it's Christmas time. You know this light of mine. You know I'ma let it shine, shine. Celebrate his birthday. You know it's Christmas time. So let your Jesus shine. Celebrate his birthday.
show one more time. Let me hear your Christmas clap. Alright, the train is going to be departing shortly, so we ask that you please remain seated and hold on tight. Let me hear make some noise. Alright, as we pull into the platform, we ask that you please remain seated until our head engineer, Miss Martha, gives you the safety whistle, and I myself will let you know when it is safe to exit. For the rest of your evening here at Kirby Family Farms, feel free to explore. There's our Santa Shack, where you can get your picture taken with Santa and tell him everything on your wish list. There's our elf shop, where little ones 10 and under can get a gift wrapped for themselves or for their loved one for free. Feel free to stop by the Choo Choo Diner and get yourself a hot chocolate. There's as well as our Gingerbread House Playground. Due to the rain, I'm not sure if it's open right now due to, safety measures and all. But if it just so happens to be, that is a great place to take the little ones to run around and burn off all that extra energy. It is for 10 and under, but I won't travel if you're 11.
That was an excellent Christmas train ride. I'm glad I drove through that hurricane to get here. And thankfully, there is nobody here because the rain scared them all away. So I rode it twice. Now, in the back, you see that tractor pulling a parking lot tram from Universal Studios. I'm going to ride that next.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh.
We did it, everybody. Merry Christmas. Wow. Just the green light.
And now it's time to look around the rest of Kirby Farms. Okay, the trolley is a tractor and a tram car. Lightless carousel. Not too bad. They have Fast Pass. There's a truck. Good choice, Dana. looks like a walkthrough tour. Gary's nuts. Yes, he is. Gary's nuts. Oh, it's a flag. That is a train. Only children. So the lights are in sync. Hopefully it'll do it. They're red, purple, blue, kind of green, white. That includes that little tilt-a-whirl in the back. And that concludes an evening at the very wet Kirby family farm and Christmas train. The rest of the videos are off-ride footage of the train going by. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to comment below, click that like button, the share button, that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.
My favorite song of all time is Universe. Not just a favorite song,